May 7th, 2026. Here, what we have is sort of like interglaphs, pictures of Earth cycles. This is our history of the world here, big and severe. So here's number 1, first Earth cycle, second Earth cycle, third Earth cycle, fourth Earth cycle, fifth Earth cycle, sixth, and then here we are, seventh. So this is what it looks like in I would say ones and zeros, but for the most part, that's what it looks like. Now again, this is what's in my my right eye. As you can see the pictures here, this is one of the ends, right eye, and membrane. This is encased in a membrane. These technicals, alive and moving, these things at the end. Okay, so here's just, there's the cells inside of this organism that's in my eyes. Okay, and you can see that there. And so it says DNA alive and growing. There's a membrane around this whole chromosome of DNA. Now see, this thing here allows me to see into other dimensions and portals. And I can talk to the angels and everything like that. I find this very distracting because it's alive. In fact, this part right here, connected to here, actually it's way longer. And then we have other tentacles coming down this way, and it's growing. My left eye is different, but this allows me to see into other realms. Now, once again, I encourage you to read the book of Enoch because it tells you the story before what happened in the Bible. It's a story before the Bible, before creation and all this other stuff. So when Enoch was going through the wormhole and entered the throne room of God, this is the throne room. He could not see it because it was too bright. Okay, so there's the orb. This was flying the ship. This is Enoch's view of the throne room. That orb right there, the power source, guides the ship, spaceship, and everything like that. It's just so bright and shiny. They call these pearls, as the Aztecs were trading with the Hopi Indians. Also, this orb comes in other technologies such as surveillance, monitoring, the capability of hovering, anti-gravity, and becoming invisible to the environment. Okay, now this here is the portal, okay? So, both eyes combine. This is the portal. This is what I see. I see it in the form of energy. It's not like solid like this. I see it in the form of energy. And you see right there it says galaxies, and that's what's right in the middle, okay? This is the energy field. Now what's radiating off of this is the energy that's penetrating my body, gamma rays and so forth. Okay, but this is a portal, just like Enoch's when they're traveling through wormholes and stuff. So, but this one's very interesting here. This is what I see. That's Quantum, my angel. He's inside the portal. We speak together, he does what I tell him. Okay, when I say open the matrix, he opens the matrix. Okay, and that's exactly what he looks like. Maybe his eyes are a little bit different, but he has no hair. This is who I communicate with, Quantum. Again, you can see that the galaxies are behind him, and when I ask him to move, he moves. But also, this thing is like a crosshairs of a scope, say for a long gun or something like that. So this is the gamma energy field just being bombarded. But I see all this as energy. And so I'll be coming back with my video about Jude and Paul in the Bible.